Hello, bonjour. In this video, we'll study how to pronounce the letter S in French words. The letter S can be pronounced in several ways depending on its position in a word. So, if it is at the beginning of a word or next to a consonant, it is pronounced S, as in the word sun. If the letter S is between vowels, it is pronounced Z, as in the word zero. And if the letter S is at the end of a word, then it is mute, soundless, or we don't pronounce it at all. Now let's go through the examples. The first rule says that letter S is pronounced S if it is at the beginning of a word or next to a consonant. For example, ainsi, ainsi. La conseille, la conseille. Illustrer, illustrer. La bourse, la bourse. En espoir, en espoir. La défense, la défense. And some more examples. En entestant, en entestant. Un adversaire, un adversaire. Une absence, une absence. Le ministre, le ministre. Le journaliste, le journaliste. The second rule says that the letter S is pronounced Z if it is between vowels. Let's see the examples. Le visage, le visage. Refuser, refuser. Troisième, troisième. Le voisin, le voisin. Le raisin, le raisin. La fraise, la fraise. Diviser, diviser. Le plaisir, le plaisir. Le président, le président. Exposer, exposer. La prison, la prison. The third rule, if the letter S is at the end of a word, it is mute or soundless. Dedans, dedans. Dans, dans. Après, après. Anglais, anglais. Ailleurs, ailleurs. Des, des. If double S occurs together in a verb, it is always pronounced S, so the rules above don't apply. Empressé, empressé. Le dessin, le dessin. La classe, la classe. La chaussette, la chaussette. La chasse, la chasse. impossible, impossible. And now a quick recap. If the letter S is at the beginning of a word or next to a consonant, it is pronounced S. Surtout. Absence. If it is between vowels, it is pronounced Z. Composé. Double S is always pronounced S. Brosse. And if the letter S is at the end of a word, then it is soundless. Dent. That would be all for now. I hope you have found this lesson useful. Till the next lesson, just keep on practicing. Have a nice day. Bonne journée. À bientôt.